Hi guys, just wanted to give a quick review on my experience using Wedding Gown Preservation Company, why I decided to preserve my dress, and how easy it was to do. All I needed to do was to go to my local bridal shop where they sold me a preservation kit, and the kit came with everything that I needed to be able to send it in. I had a beautiful wedding day. It was the best day of my life. My husband and I ended up having a backyard wedding, so a lot of our photos and videos were done in the grass, so the bottom of my dress got really dirty. I knew that I wanted to get it clean and preserved. I'd spent a ton of money on it, so that was something that was very important to me. So when I decided to look around for places, I found Wedding Gown Preservation Company, and they were definitely the best in the business. With over 100 years of experience in the industry, I knew that I had to choose them and could trust them with taking care of my dress, cleaning it, and preserving the memory for me. After a few short weeks, I got my dress back, and I'm really excited to show you guys. I actually have not seen this yet. I'm so excited. All I did was just take it out of the shipping box. And it's packaged really nicely too. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. 100-year guarantee. You can't beat that. It's actually in two boxes. So there's the box and then there's the actual box that's got my gown in it. Oh my gosh, there's actually a sticker on here that's got a picture of my husband and I. That's so awesome. I love it. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. They put my veil in here with my wedding dress, which is awesome. And then the little sticker here is a picture of my husband and I. It's actually one of my favorites. And it even has our name and our wedding date. Super personalized. This is amazing. I'm so excited that I got this done. 10 out of 10 would recommend Wedding Gown Preservation. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's super personalized, and they've preserved the memory of the best day of my life forever. So if you're looking to get your wedding dress preserved, definitely reach out to your local bridal shop and get some information.